gonna be having spaghetti and garlic bread. So I'm gonna show you guys up close of what we're eating. So this is spaghetti and meatballs and then garlic bread. So that's what we're eating for dinner. It's gonna taste delicious.
So we have spaghetti. It's like this shape. It's like square kind of. I don't even know, but it's not like round. It's like it's like square or rectangle. And we have that spaghetti. We have meatballs and we have sauce and garlic bread. So that's what we're gonna be eating today for dinner. So let's go. Let's start eating.
So we're gonna have a challenge. We're gonna see who can finish their food first. But I think Yana gave me a lot of food, so. We're having a food challenge, spaghetti.
Oh, this looks so good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, eat. Eat.
No, it's not bad. No, it is. I already had a head start. That's not fair.
I'm done. I don't wanna. Mom, I don't wanna play the game.
Okay.
I already know I'm not gonna win. Shoo, I am playing the
I'm
game.
losing. I haven't even took one spoon yet because I'm scared it's gonna be too hot.
Hot.
Hot, Mom. I eat nothing brings you. I remember that time Mom made hot, spicy jollof rice, and then she says when it cools down, then it gets less spicier, but it just got more spicier.
Mm-hmm. So good. Tiana made this guy cook. She's the best cook ever.
Yup. Yup.
I'm grabbing these.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mom, you know why I didn't say I didn't want any garlic bread?
Why?
Because I knew I was not gonna finish the cheese and garlic bread.
You want half?
No. No. No, Mom.
Take this.
No.
Guys, I need more sauce. I'm gonna go get more sauce.
Mm.
I'm winning. I still can't believe.
My spaghetti sauce and meatballs.
It's
yummy.
I kept on telling you to change your wallpaper, but
Okay.
you're ignoring me.
Can you? Actually, no. 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 No.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's so good.
I'll take your meatball.
Getting more sauce is just gonna drag you down. Don't forget that we're doing a race, and whoever finishes the food first wins.
And get a $500.
And as you know, guys, I was the winner of the last video we did. It was like the Cheeto one, so
Yeah.
I plan on being the
Stop.
next winner of this. Okay. Okay.
Stop.
The part I like the most of this spaghetti is that it's like shaped like, you know when you go to Olive Garden
Stop.
and then their Alfredo is like Alfredo is like the spaghetti stuff is shaped like a way. That's what I like. I like the way that the spaghetti is shaped.
What?
Who's winning?
Me. I'm in.
Shannon,
Winning.
if I had your food, you have less food. So if I had your food, then I would be done. So moving on to the garlic bread.
I already ate one garlic bread.
Uh-huh.
Left one.
I have to win.
That's true. Mama meatball.
Right.
Meatballs are good for you.
Delicious. I'm not playing the game.
This is my food so far, and I think I'm winning so far.
I think I'm gonna give up because Kiana gave it too much.
Yeah, Mom, you got it. You got this. I'm pushing through.
I don't want to choke. I don't want to.
Okay.
I feel like I've tasted this before. It's like a one that I used to have in New Jersey back then. Like when I was like when I went to daycare and then it was like lunchtime, I used to have this. It's like just like chicken meatballs or something. Whoever thought that food could bring back so many memories.
I am going. I'm winning.
So good.
Do you ever have that feeling when the bottom of your lips is burned?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
Numbers done.
I think I win.
Mom, you know, you got a whole way of it.
I win because Yana gave me too much food.
That doesn't count.
I won.
Trying to all that meat on the plate? No.
You stop. And now I'm not playing the game because of you.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Today's a Friday. Woohoo!
Oh yeah, it's a Friday. We just stay up all night. Well, I've been staying up all night before anyway.
I've been going to sleep at the time.
No, you haven't.
For some reason,
Who
at
wants my
nighttime-
meatball?
Nice.
They're good for you. Well, Sean disqualified. Do you back down from this? Do you back down from the contest, or do you wish to keep on going, Shanna? Hello? Do you wanna-
I wish to keep going, but I back down to.
So you back down?
Yeah.
I can't even talk. Back down?
Mom, can
All right, I'm done.
Mom, can I go get some
I have officially eliminated myself from the
Probably have 1, 2,
challenge.
3, 4, 5.
Mom, can I go get some water?
Mm-hmm.
So
This
it's
is me.
Sasha won, guys, because I eliminated myself from the challenge
And-
before.
And me too, I officially eliminated myself.
I won! Even though I was gonna win before because I only had this much food left. I don't have that much food left to eat, and now I'll be done. But I guess I won anyway.
No,
Guys, I won!
Excuse me.
I'm just finishing up the garlic bread.
I won. Now
You
my
see my food?
stomach
How
hurts.
can I give me so much?
My stomach hurts now. So I ate too much. I ate too fast. Go in.
So guys, thank you.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching our videos.
Yeah.
And oh my God.
Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time we post a new video.
And comment down below if you guys want more challenges like these. We've been doing a few challenges sooner or later, but I think we have one more challenge in store for you guys. So far we have done the jalapeno, cream cheese, and Takis challenge, and then after that we did the Cheetos challenge, which I certainly won. And then we did this challenge again. And I won again. So I have won 2 times in a row. And if you guys want to see our next challenge, then comment down below and hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time we post. So yeah, bye.
Yep.
Yeah,
And
guys, we love you.
And we did the gingerbread when it was near Christmas. We did the gingerbread challenge. It's on the YouTube, so you can go check that video out. And yeah.
Bye guys, we love you. Thank you for watching our videos, but not all of them.
Okay, Shannon want to talk.
Okay.
Thank you guys for liking the videos, but not all of them. I hope you subscribe to a like button and click the link down below. And thank you guys. Whoever adopted us on Christmas, we're so thankful for your heart. And whoever gave us gift for Christmas, we're so thankful for your heart too.
Okay.
And whoever liked the video was so thankful
Thankful.
for your heart.
Yep. Bye.
Bye,
Bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Bye.